Hey there, here we are on the island of Agkistri in Greece. We're taking a boat tour that brought us from Athens to Agkistri. We're gonna ride bikes around here, maybe go swimming, get some lunch, then hop back on a boat and go island hopping to some other islands. But this is Greece. This is exactly what I wanted when I was coming to Greece. This is exactly what you should go for when you're going to Greece. I'll put links down below for the boat tour and everything, but this is totally worth it. Look at the clear blue water. Apparently there's sea urchins and you have to be careful of those black pointy things. It's just a dream. Okay, we are bike riding through the island of Agkistri in Greece. We are in the Greek islands, riding bikes down the coast. There's a car coming. Woo-hoo! The road ended. We were on bikes, so now we're on foot. We just left our bikes at the end of the road and we are walking along the shore. There's people swimming down there. There's people camping out here, just in tents. This is gorgeous. Pro tip, wear a hat. It drastically makes a difference. We stopped at this little cafe to get some water ice. We got strawberry and passion fruit. Both are delicious and so refreshing. It's so hot out. We are about to go swimming in the Aegean Sea. This island, the name of it is Moni. There's nobody, no one lives on it. It's uninhabited.
Just peacocks, rabbits, and wild deer.
Peacocks, rabbits, and wild deer.
Yeah.
Incredible. All right, we are on the island of Moni, and I'm jumping off this boat. Are you ready? I have no idea how cold it is. It is amazing. So afraid right now. Now we are on the island of Aegina, out here in the Aegean Sea. We are walking to the Temple of Apollo, and we are staying cool with these beautiful hats. And it's cool. The beach is lovely. Check it out. Lovely. And let's see what the Temple of Apollo has to offer. Here I am standing with the one remaining standing pillar. This dates back to 500 BC. This is the Temple of Apollo. And there's Byzantine cisterns all around, and this is the ancient city of Aegina. We're on the island of Aegina, so this is the ancient city, and then the little town is over there. There's things dating back to 2400 BC, 2400 BC. Now we are walking through the little town of Aegina. This is where the best pistachios in the world are from. Oh my gosh, doesn't it all look just so good? I have to try this stuff, I have to. Yes, I would love to try some.
Pistachio Island, my friend.
The Pistachio Island.
Yes, this is true.
Okay. Pistachio with rose water. Oh my gosh, did you try that one? It's soft, it's just like chewy, and now they're feeding us pistachio liquor. Salud.
Cheers. Gold is much tastier.
That's delicious. We just ate so much pistachio stuff. It was delicious. Pistachio ice cream. This is the pistachio chocolate with this giant chunk of chocolate. So good. With like little bits of chocolate in it. We just tried some pistachio Nutella, some pistachio butter. And this one is a salted pistachio ice cream. I just had to get two. Okay, turn it off while I stuff my face. Aegean apricot and the cherry. That's so juicy. I guess I'm getting a fig. And I just eat that? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Taste. Orba.
Taste it. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
It's very good. Tiger.
Thank you. Thank you. Well, I was taking videos of some fruit, and this woman just kept feeding me fruit, so I got a bag of fruit, and I am late for the boat. Time to head back to Athens.